Desud for many years committed to laser, robot, hydraulic-pneumatic automation research and development, main manufacturing, laser cutting, laser welding, industrial robots, collaborative robots, metal pipe profile CNC cutting automation, intelligent cutting equipment, non-standard custom automation equipment, designed for metal manufacturing enterprises to provide complete sets of advanced production equipment. The company has a professional research and development technology team, based on innovation. Adhere to the highly responsible, sincere service as the core of the business purpose. To build a team of technology, intelligence, high quality, and supporting services for domestic and foreign customers. Desud is willing to work together with you for common development.
Industrial welding robot. The robot adopts the central control structure arm, compact structure, small size, lightweight, maximum load 6 kg, arm span 1600 mm, convenient line, flexible action, high protection level, can effectively eliminate the interference of welding gun cable and surrounding equipment, operating in a narrow space, stable and reliable. At the same time, the special welding transfer system is integrated with welding machine rapid process deployment. XZ607 Industrial Cooperative Robot has collision detection, track repetition, safe and efficient, intelligent and easy to use, flexible and light, low power consumption and high protection, high and low speed mode, IP67 protection, industrial cooperative dual mode collision protection and other functions. When the machine touches the external facility, under an external force, can quickly detect and make the robot stop movement, enhance robot security, protection level, calmly cope with all kinds of complex industrial environment. Compared with the traditional industrial robot, collaboration robot, the biggest difference is that the working mode and high-speed collaboration mode, high-speed mode. Equipped with self-developed welding head to achieve a longer outdoor welding distance, overcome the limitations of bench space, with the advantages of simple operation, beautiful welding joints, fast welding speed and no consumable materials, in thin stainless steel plate, iron plate, aluminum plate and other metal materials welding, can perfectly replace the traditional argon arc welding and electric welding process, widely used in sheet metal, distribution box, cabinet, bathroom, stair elevator, shelves, single platform laser cutter, cast iron bed body. The precision is maintained for a long time. High precision linear guide rail is adopted to ensure the precise operation of the equipment. Intelligent operating system, autofocus laser head, a new upgrade of special cutting board software. The operation and cutting is more easy. According to the needs of customers, the power of 1500W 12,000W can be customized dual platform switching cutting, higher processing efficiency. Tube profile laser cutting machine, used for cutting round pipe, square pipe, elliptical tube, rectangular pipe, channel steel, angle steel and other materials. Has the characteristics of high speed, high precision, high cost performance and so on. Centralized operation, flexible processing, autofocus laser head, convenient and fast clip, simple repair and maintenance, basic maintenance free. Automatic feeding system can be added, one key to start mass production. Intelligent pipe cutting software realizes intelligent cutting. Applicable to tubing, rectangular tube, aluminum, stainless steel, profiles, etc. multi-side punching and single-side punching of a variety of holes, punching and cut-off processing, number 1, number 2, number 3 cylinder automatic positive punching, number 4, number 5 cylinder left and right automatic side punching, number 6 cylinder 45 degrees automatic punching and cut-off, system control separate work, can be set to multi-cylinder automatic 1, can also be set to any cylinder position. The multi-cylinder automatic aluminum profile punching and cutting machine adopts high-precision servo control and high-speed system, parameter setting and operation switching through touchscreen interface, which is easy to operate. Its structure is 1 number 2 number 3 number. Cylinders, CNC high-speed cutting, automatic CNC feeding, automatic number 1 frontage punching, number 2 the left side punching, number 3 the right side punching, automatic high-speed cutting, non-isometric control, can be set to automatic punching and cutting as a whole, can also be set separately, single punching, single cutting, suitable for. The whole machine adopts servo control, high-speed system, parameter setting and operation switching through touch interface, easy to operate. Suitable for iron pipe, stainless steel, angle iron, profile, hardware workpiece punching and chong angle dot cutoff, fully automatic CNC feeding, automatic frontage, side flush 45-degree angle, side cylinder 45-degree automatic cutoff. It can be set to punch and cut off automatically, or set single punch, single cut off, non-isometric control, single and double-sided punching. Automatic punching cut-off machine adopts high-precision servo control and high-speed system, setting the parameters and switching operations through touching screen interface, which is easy to operate. Suitable for shelves, display racks, guardrails, bed frames, steel and wood furniture, pipes, profiles and other hardware workpieces. Punching off processing. It can be set for automatic punching and cutting processing, single punching, single cutting, non-isometric control, single and double-sided punching, fast speed, high precision.